Hello there, this is the Bookkeeping Master on YouTube. Welcome to another Xero video. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to use the quotations feature on Xero. It's very straightforward. Just go to the top, click on business, go to quotes and the feature will load up. All quotes will then show in a list. It could be that this list is blank because no quotes are on your Xero system. Just go to the top right here, click on new quote to create a new quote. It's very self-explanatory. You just enter the details here. It's a template, a quote template. You just fill in the details, the contact, boom, FM, the date of the quote, the reference number if you have some sort of reference number, the expiry date if you want one of them, quotation number, and lots of other things. Let's put in a description down here. Let's say the quantity is 3 at £250 each. This is the first box really to mention. Most quotations are going to go to some sort of sales account. When we say this quotation, it won't post any amount to this account. This is simply for the invoice that will be raised at a later time. So once a quotation is accepted, you can then convert that quotation into an invoice and it will bring up this code by default. So even though I'm selecting sales, it won't post anything to sales. The quotation feature is totally separate to the financial accounts. It's only when you convert quotes to invoices that figures then posted to the financial accounts. Okay, there's other boxes and other things we can fill out if you want to. I'll cover that in a future video. We can then send this straight from Xero. If you send documents from Xero, if you don't send things from Xero, then you can click up here and print it as a PDF or save it as a PDF. Alternatively, when you click mark as sent, there's then an option here to print as a PDF. So if we go back to the quotes screen now, we have Boom FM and you can see that it has been sent. So this screen will keep track of quotes that have been invoiced, quotes that have been accepted and waiting to be invoiced, and quotes that have been sent. And you can display these by clicking on the tabs at the top here. So if you only want to see sent quotes, click here, accepted quotes here, invoice quotes here. Okay, so this has been sent. If it's been accepted, we can simply click on the quote, come back here, click mark as accepted. That will then change the quote. We go back again now. It's now showing as accepted. Once again in here, once it's been accepted, if we click create invoice and create the invoice, it will fill in the invoice for us. There may be some things you need to change, but all this information has been drawn from that quote, so hopefully there's nothing really to change. But review everything, click approve, and this is the invoice screen. So this will just be very familiar to you if you've been recording sales invoices on Xero. If I go back to quotes here, you can see it's now been invoiced. So you raise a new quote, fill in the details, mark it as sent, or send it from Xero. Once it's been sent and accepted, you can go back to the quote, click accepted. Once it's been accepted, you can then create the invoice. One final thing to mention is if you have hundreds or thousands of these quotes, there is this search box here that makes things a lot easier. So if we are looking for a specific quote number or something like that, we can type that in here and it will show down the bottom. Thank you for watching.